First, power on your HP printer and T-Mobile gateway. Make sure they are within 30 feet of each other for optimal signal strength. Next, access your T-Mobile gateway settings using the T-Mobile app or by entering 192.168.12.1 in a web browser. Confirm that the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi band is enabled. Now, press the WPS button on your T-Mobile gateway. It's typically found on the side or back of the device. Within 2 minutes, press the WPS button on your HP printer. Look for it on the control panel or next to the wireless icon. Finally, the printer should connect automatically to the network. Verify the connection through the printer's display or the HP Smart app. While WPS offers a quick connection, it's crucial to address security. WPS can be vulnerable to brute force attacks. It's highly recommended to disable WPS in your gateway settings after the printer is connected. Use WPA2 or preferably WPA3 encryption for your Wi-Fi network for enhanced security. HP is shifting towards app-based connections using the HP Smart app and QR codes, which are more secure. T-Mobile's gateways are also evolving towards Wi-Fi 6E7, potentially reducing reliance on 2.4 GHz. Keep your printer's firmware updated via the HP Smart app or HP's website to ensure compatibility and address any connectivity issues. In the future, expect WPS to be phased out in favor of more secure protocols.